Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this second part, we are going to see how to sort result by a specific column in the database. So in the previous video, we saw how to select a specific column and list that. Now we will see how to perform sorting. So first we are performing sorting in ascending order. So like we saw in the previous video, we are picking 4 columns this time: employee ID, full name, country code, as well as sex from the table name test.employee. Here to sort, you have to use the keyword order by. Then you can specify the column name. Here the column name is employee ID, which is already there in the select list. But it's not mandatory that you have to specify the column name which is in the select list. So you can even sort by the column that is not there in the select list. Anyhow, here we are performing the sorting based on employee ID. We are performing sorting based on this specific column, employee ID. And by default, the sorting will be in ascending order. And if you see, the employee ID here is sorted in ascending order. So from 1 to 10. Next, here if you see, we are going with the same list of columns from test.employee, order by, same employee ID, but we don't want ascending order, so we specify the keyword DESC. So this DESC tells that we want to sort the record based on employee ID, but we want to do the sorting in descending order. If you see here, now the records are sorted based on employee ID, and the highest number comes here and the lowest one is in the bottom. So just reverse of the previous one. All right, now we will go to the demo and see how it works. So here if you see, here we are sorting it based on employee ID. Now we will sort it based on full name. So this time if you see, the sorting is performed based on full name, and it's in the alphabetical order: A, J, K, N, S, finally comes T. Alright, we can do sorting based on other column also. Here if you see, I am going to sort it based on country code, and if you see, country code repeats multiple times here, right? So null. So there are 2 records that belongs to India, right? Now we can do sorting based on more than one column also. Now here I am giving second priority to full name. Now if I execute it, if I say, this time K comes first, then Shilfi Aurora, right? And if I this time if you see, the result is exchanged. Here when I selected it, I want to execute only the selected portion of query. That means here we are sorting it based on country code only. So within India there are 2 records, and S comes before K. But when I include first sort by country code, then by full name, Here if you see, it is sorted based on country code IN. Then within IN, if you see, K come first, then Shilpi Aurora come next, right? So that's all about the sorting. Now we will go back to employee ID. So the default sorting is in ascending, and if you want to do that in descending order, you can specify the keyword DESC towards the end. Right now it is in the reverse order. So this is ascending order 1 to 6, and this will be in descending order of employee ID 6 to 1. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.